Cut through the wind, above the clouds, under a sky so clear our love falls down. I still hold dreams from long ago, a bird who forgot how to fly, with rusted wings fly again.
Somewhere I lost my open heart, a fragile bird who lost the way these rusted wings catch light again. I couldn't trust myself, lost inside a deeper wood, only watching tomorrow roll. I miss the joy right here and now. A bird who forgot how to fly, with broken wings fly again. Cut through the wind, above the clouds, with these scarred wings I remember why. Those distant dreams still live in me. The bird who forgot how to fly turns rusted wings into light.